Comecon, the communist economy. In 1949, a plan took shape as tensions grew across Europe's landscape. The Cold War deepened, sides were clear, and the USSR acted out of fear. Led by Stalin, firm and strong, he built a system European states had to belong. The causes first, why was it made? Well, the West had offered economic aid, with Marshall Plan money going far and wide, helping Western Europe rebuild with pride. But Stalin saw a hidden aim to spread US power and capitalist gain. He banned Eastern states from taking part and formed his own economic start. The system, formed with careful design, was called Comecon at the time, a group of states within the East working together on the surface. Trade was controlled and centrally planned, resources shared across the land. Each country focused on certain roles to meet the Soviets' wider goals. Raw materials flowed to the Soviet core, while Eastern states received less than before. Though called cooperation, it wasn't equal. The USSR remained the key focal. Consequence followed, clear and wide, strengthening control on the eastern side. It tied those nations closer still to Soviet power and Soviet will, but living standards did not compare to the wealth the Western nations shared. This made the contrast even more clear between the two blocs, far and near. Relations worsened, tensions grew, each side suspicious of what the other would do. The divide in Europe hard and tight, economic war without a fight. So Comecon stood as the Eastern reply to the Marshall Plan reaching far and wide. A system built for strength and control, but one that deepened the Cold War role.